Hi, I'm a teacher, and thank you so much for your interest in the 123LockDown latch. I'm here to show you how easy it is to install. First of all, here are the materials you're going to need: a power drill, level, lockdown latch, template, 2 screws, instructions. This is the instructions that you will receive. We recommend following them exactly. So step 1, 2, and 3, we will walk you through right now so you can see how easy it is to install. The template down below, either you could use the one that we include, or you can simply take scissors and cut this one out, and this is fine as well. This is the template that we provide. This shows you where the latch will go. These 2 holes, you're going to mark with a pencil. That's where you're going to use your screws. To the left or to the right, the shaded area shows you, depends on which way your door closes, the proper placement of the latch. Step 1, grab your level. Place it where you'd like to install the lockdown latch. Draw a line. With the door closed, grab your template. Line it up with the line you just drew with your level. With your template, slide it either to the left or the right, depending on which way your door closes. Slide it all the way until you hit the door jamb. If the gray area is not visible, slide it out slightly until you can see it. Grab your latch. We recommend taping the template to the door. Line up the red marks. Let's try this out. Extended position, make sure, perfect, it hits the door jamb, so the door is locked, yet it does not engage. Retracted position, we're good. All right, so mark your pilot holes. Call the maintenance department or your custodial staff to come and install it for you. If there's a lockdown on campus, we are instructed, both teachers and students, to run to the nearest room possible. If this is not my classroom, or if I'm a substitute teacher, I come in, retracted position, the door closes, it's locked. We're safe. I don't need to look for keys. We are good to go. This does work with an AC sensor. Please call if you have questions about that.